Hey, I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise, Alabama. And it's a cool February night for South Alabama. But I'm so excited because I've got two 2022 CX-5 Premium Plus in. And I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna go outside. We're gonna go all the way around and talk about how wonderful these vehicles are. So let's jump in.
More car vids. More car vids.
So this is the first Soul Red Crystal that we've had in 22. So the Premium and the Premium Plus will have this treatment right here. So you have the nice signature grille, which is that thin to wide, that new fascia. The signature LED lighting, which we'll look at a little bit closer in just a moment. Those extended bumpers down, which is all part of the 2022, and then this redesigned cladding, and of course the silver over here, Sonic Silver, is also a Premium Plus. So we'll go over that package, Premium Plus package contents as well. But let's look at these nice LED signature lighting. So these are LEDs, as we knew we upgraded here. So whether it's daytime running lights or you have the whole light assembly on, these will light up. And you also will have your projector beam LEDs on. So here's a little look of what they look like on, although it's not completely dark, but you can get the picture there. As we move around to the side, this was the thing I was not so sure of, are these new wheels. But I am excited that they're still 19s because early reports that I saw online were showing 18s. I never really bothered to pull up a window sticker of these incomings, but they are 19-inch wheels, which I'm excited about. And you can see with this black paint right here, it really just makes it more complete for better fuel economy, which is something I think they were really going for. But also these little thin machined areas here, I think just kind of dress it up, especially as the wheel is moving. So this is what I'm calling kind of a throwback to the pizza wheel, but excited they still stuck with the 19-inch. And of course, these are Toyo tires that we often see on the CX-5. And of course, all-wheel drive is standard on all 22 crossovers. So this one's gonna be all-wheel drive. This Premium Plus, one of those features that it has is the power folding side mirrors. The key is inside of the vehicle, so I can't show you that. You do have the LED, so this will light up and fold in. Also, you can see the elements right here. This is your windshield wiper de-icer. Also, the active driving display. So that's 3 elements, and we'll cover some more when we jump inside in just a minute. Going around the back, these are the same tail lights. And again, just for comparison, we'll show you what they look like here, so you can remind yourself when they're turned on. And back in the back, of course, all-wheel drive, power rear liftgate, and this lower fascia has changed, so a little bit smaller reflectors than in the past, a little bit more of a rugged look on this cladding down here at the back. You still have the same cargo capacity on the 22. Of course, these seats that fold down here and these extra little vents here, I think are more about just a little bit of air purification or something like that. Not 100% on those still. Have to get some more information. Of course, these are, as you can see, this one here is already flush, as I covered in the last video, so you can lower this or raise it as it's raised now, or you can lower it on that little stand there. But this is where you could sit here or load things flush, or you could drop it down where this will be like a guard so things won't slide out on you. Whichever you prefer. This is great for tailgating or any type of outdoor off-road adventure. You have a nice little bench, table, seat, whatever you need it for. Of course, you have this nice little chrome strip still. And what I do like about it is how it kind of, the more dark wheels makes this really pop, and all the other trim pieces that are black. So I do think that really looks better, especially on the red. When you compare that to the silver, you don't have the same pop because it's kind of washed out here with the exterior color. And of course, that chrome strip's lost in the Sonic Silver as well, but looks really good. Any black on wheels, I think, makes them look a lot better. So glad they went with that. Of course, they could have just stuck with the Carbon Edition wheels, and I'd have been fine with that, a solid black wheel. But I I guess we'll jump under the hood of this one. So the Premium Plus model is still your naturally aspirated 2.5 liter Skyactiv G, 187 horsepower, 186 foot-pounds of torque, and now 30 miles per gallon on the highway, and everything's fit in there. This is, you know, the high compression rate engine that we've had for several years. Still get good performance out of it, good fuel economy, and you can't go wrong with this engine and this setup on the Premium Plus 22 with all-wheel drive. Jumping on the inside, both of these are going to be your black interior. So you have the option of two, either the white or the black. So this is the black, and I'm starting to battle a little bit of a cold or something like that, so apologize for the condition of my voice. Of course, your off-road traction assist is right here. A couple of other things to mention as we step inside to finish up our conversation on the Premium Plus package. You have heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, and rear seat heaters. Of course, on the Premium and Premium Plus and above, you have the full multi-information display here. Of course, the 10.25-inch screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the steering wheel that we've been familiar with for several years now. So you also, on this premium package, you upgrade to the HomeLink auto-dimming mirror, and of course your standard with the moonroof, which is nice. And the big thing, of course, right up here, Sirius XM and Bose sound. Stepping next door to look at the back. It's a little bit dark in here, but here is those heated rear seats buttons there. Of course, you have the little console with two USBs. Still have two USBs in the front console, and you can position these, you know, one step, two step for reclining with this lever right here. So those are some options. And I do want to show you while I'm here, since I mentioned the Bose, I'll show you the subwoofer if you didn't see that earlier, because I didn't refer to it earlier. So there it is, the one we've been missing and waiting for from the Carbon Edition, and the Preferred package no longer will have that Bose system. So these are two Premium Pluses in the beautiful Soul Red and Sonic Silver. I am Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise. If you have any questions or comments about the Premium Plus 22 CX-5, drop them down below, or you can always text me at 334-718-0504. I love these 22s, love the updates, and I can't wait to see you in one of these beautiful Mazdas.
More garbage.